What do we have here? Now, where could he be, Mr. Bam Bam? Where could he be? Wait a minute. What is that? What is that under here? I think I just heard something. What is that? Is that a Bam Bam, I say? Is that you, Bam Bam? Under the covers? Your butt's looking pretty good. Alright, I don't want to bother you. Go back to taking your nap. I'll cover you up again. And that's what he likes to do. Totally underneath the blanket. That's what he does with me too when I'm sleeping. Until he wakes me up.